I will lead out the
Cal Snyder 1, frequency change approved.
If engine fails after liftoff and landing gear is
Frequency
down,
change approved, Cal Snyder 1.
throttles and run straight ahead. If an engine fails after liftoff and the landing gear is retracted, I will follow the airplane flight manual procedures to control, configure, climb, and checklist. Complete. Ground です。グラウンドはい。Riverside Ground HS6716 Zulu, run up complete.
16 Zulu, runway 27, taxi Alpha.
Taxi via Alpha 16 Zulu.
73 Zulu Yankee, runway 27, clear to land.
Left clear.
JALS 88, contact SoCal departure, good day. Cessna 55291 is number 3, following Cessna over the Auto Center on left, please continue left downwind. 7291, follow that traffic, runway 27, clear touch and go.
Yeah, take off, transponder check.
Riverside Tower, Bonanza 3045 Yankee at runway 27, ready for IFR release.
Bonanza 3045 Yankee, Riverside Tower, hold for the runway 27. It's just going to be a few minutes. There was slower traffic departing same direction on the IFR, so it'll be about maybe 2 or 3 minutes.
45 Yankee, holding short for a couple of minutes.
Riverside Tower, Dutch 6716 Zulu, hold it short runway 27, request left cross traffic.
Dutch 6716 Zulu, Riverside Tower, be unable pattern work due to staffing. Say, advise when you're ready, when you have an alternate departure request.
162, can we get a right downwind departing to the northeast in San Bernardino, please? 162.
That's 160, Roger. Expect a right downwind, hold short of runway 27.
Expect a right downwind and hold short 27, 160, thanks.
Dallas 38, runway 27, taxi Alpha. Crew check 265, when able turn left, say intentions.
Left at Foxtrot, and we'll taxi back to 27. Crew check 265.
Crew check 265, runway 27, taxi via Foxtrot Alpha.
27 via Foxtrot Alpha, crew check 265.
サンバラディーノはランウェイ24で、
ランウェイ24。
はい。
038 Flight Tango, Riverside Ground, runway 27, run up taxi via Golf Alpha.
2153 Zulu, wind 2701.
Approaching you. Landing and departing runway 24. All aircraft read back, all hold short and...
なんでまあ、下から行くんですけど、この高速道路を沿ってって、はい、このまま入っていくって感じで。はい。はい。
Riverside Tower, Dallas 38, holding short runway 27 in sequence, we'd like a southbound.
1, altimeter 29080, density altitude 4000, ILS, runway 6, approaching you. Landing and departing runway
30 Yankee, say intentions.
read back, all hold short instructions in the signed
For takeoff to run up area, hold for
30 Yankee, runway 27, taxi via Alpha to the run up.
Medino Tower, information, Papa 2201.
インフォメーションパパですね。ラジオコールは任せてください。
はい、ありがとうございます。
フライトにシ
JALS 38, Riverside Tower, hold short runway 27.
Holding short runway 27, Dallas 38.
風が250 at 4ですね。
はい。
スキャター7000なので、トラパタの高度が、2200です。確か、ちょっと待ってくださいね。ごめんなさい、2000です。ごめんなさい、2000。はい。ちょっと低いですね。
はい。
確かだから AGL でいうと800フィートぐらいかな。セットしました。ちょっといいですか。
はい。
Dutch 6F160, right down approved, runway 27, clear for takeoff.
Take off 160, right down departure.
Riverside Tower, Skyhawk 7561 Golf, Lake Matthews, 2400 inbound with Alpha, request touch and goes.
7561 Golf, Riverside Tower, be unable pattern work.
ショートフィールドで。
Request full stop 7561 Golf.
オイルは
66ですか。
66が
OK。
761 Golf, you want to come in for a full stop or do you want to go to another airport?
Full stop at Riverside, please.
61 Golf, report the auto center.
Report auto center, 7561 Golf.
Riverside Tower, Cessna 55291, requesting a full stop with a short approach if possible.
291 would be unable short approach, expect a full stop.
Full stop, 291, thank you.
JAWS 38, say again, directional flight.
I'd like to go southbound with a short delay, JAWS 38.
JAWS 38, short delay, south departure approved, runway 27, clear for takeoff.
Short delay, south departure approved, runway 27, clear for takeoff, JAWS 38.
とポジティブギャップ。
ライトトラフィックいきます。
はい。
ライトクリア。
ライトクリア。バックAGL。
7291, continue downwind, you're following traffic south of the auto center on left base.
Continuing downwind, looking for traffic, 291.
今度は
7561 Golf, runway 27, clear to land.
27 at Charlie, requesting straight out departure Regino.
7561 Golf, runway 27, clear to land, your reply was blocked out.
Clear to land, 27, 7561 Golf, I got stepped on.
Clear check 265, straight out approved, runway 27, clear for takeoff.
Straight out approved, runway 27, clear for takeoff, crew track 265.
Riverside Tower, Cessna 5184 Juliet on the ILS minor practice approach. Inbound, we got information. Alpha.
5184 Juliet, Riverside Tower, continue approach, I'll call your circle.
Continue approach, you'll call a circle 84 Juliet.
Inside 291.
And 291 number 2, runway 27, clear to land.
27, clear to land. 1.
Riverside Tower, Cessna 6420 Bravo, 7 miles northeast of the airport. We are requesting transition to westbound Chino Airport.
6420 Bravo, Riverside Tower, transition westbound approved, Riverside altimeter 2978.
2978, transition approved, 20 Bravo.
2300です。
そうです。2300フィートのニコニコで。
はい。
JAWS 38, frequency change approved, disregard, Dutchess 67160, frequency change approved.
Alright, see you in a bit, 160.
Expect to come off on Charlie if you can.
左のポコッとした
93 Charlie, welcome.
あそこのなんか左端を通るイメージで。
はい。
Tower, Just minus 6.24 to be a left cross 420.
JAWS
2696, Roger, I have your request.
で、チャーリーが2700からですね。まあ大丈夫です、ここまで。はい。
Number 03 Juliet, you see that Cherokee ahead? 03 Juliet, Roger, pass behind that Cherokee, taxi to the east ramp via Echo.
San Bernardino アルティメーターが、80です。
80。
はい。San Bernardino Tower, good afternoon. Duchess 6716 Zulu, 6 miles to the southwest, 2003 with the Papa, looking for pattern work.
November 36903 Charlie, turn right at Charlie, taxi to Luxair via Charlie this frequency.
Charlie to Luxair, stay with you. 93 Charlie, thanks.
November 90206 November, runway 24, make left traffic, reported to be in the tower, runway 24, clear for takeoff.
This is November, make left traffic, clear takeoff.
San Bernardino Tower, Duchess 6716 Zulu, 6 mile to the southwest, looking for pattern work with the Papa.
Duchess 6716 Zulu, San Bernardino Tower, Roger. Flight eastbound, remain south of the 10 freeway. Advise me when you are 4 miles southeast of the field over Redlands.
Okay, remain south of the freeway and the port 4 miles west of Redlands, 160.
Okay, 160, that didn't sound right. Just 4 miles southeast of the field. Advise me you're 4 miles southeast of the field.
Okay, reports 4 miles southeast of the field, 160. この辺から2000フィート下ろして、18インチの23でします。
That's 817. The SoCal's going to call me back with your clearance. Joust 906, left crosswind departure is approved. Cherokee ahead is in the pattern. Runway 24, clear for takeoff.
24, left crosswind approved, and we'll be looking for that traffic just 906.
もうちょい右です。この高速の右側です。はい、お願いします。
Number 90206 November, East caution, traffic off your left. If you look there, he's over just south of the 10 freeway. It's a Duchess.
06 November, go to the left.
06 November, you say traffic in sight?
06 November, no traffic in sight.
Okay, 06 November, I'm sorry, sir, I don't understand you. Is traffic in sight? Yes or no?
06 November, no.
06 November, Roger. Okay, he's ahead and to your left, same altitude over the stacks.
Same heading, 06 November, same altitude.
Okay, Duchess 16 Zulu, report base, runway 24.
Report base, runway 24, 16 Zulu. 入っちゃっていいですね。はい。
Okay, 06 November, he's ahead and to your right now, slightly south of the 10 freeway. Duchess, do you have him in sight?
One heading 120, 06 November.
06 November, that's not what I'm asking, sir. Do you have the traffic in sight, sir?
06 November, give me a heading, please.
I don't have radar, sir. There's traffic ahead and to your right. You're following him on the downwind.
Yeah, down. Okay.
I didn't see the traffic, 06 November.
Okay, 06 November, expect a full stop this approach. You're number 2 following a Duchess, 3/4 of the way down the downwind there. He's going to be turning left crosswind momentarily. Make a right 360.
Right 360, 06 November.
Duchess 16 Zulu, you're number 1. Make this a full stop taxi back, runway 24, clear to land.
Okay, runway 24, clear to land, and then make a full stop and taxi back, 16 Zulu.
Fabris Horn, Omaha 834, hold short on runway 24, request southwest departure.
Number 901-834, San Bernardino Tower, roger, hold short on runway 24, lighting traffic.
Hold short runway 24, 834.
じゃあ、ショートフィードお願いします。結構低いので、ピッチアップファーアップ。
Number 738, Quebec Alpha, San Bernardino ground, runway 24, taxi via Echo Alpha. Okay, November 06, November. Are you going to be able to make descent, sir, or do you need another 360?
06 November, another 360.
There's 06 November, say again.
Another 360, 06 November.
Okay, 90206 November. I'm sorry, sir. We're having trouble communicating today. You're pretty high. Do you need a 360 for descent? The pattern altitude is 1,900.
2,900, 06 November.
でも切り切っちゃう。
Okay, November 06 November. Are you going to be able to make descent? Enter a downwind for runway 24.
06 November, say again.
Okay, 06 November. Enter the downwind for runway 24, sir.
Runway 24, left downwind, 06 November.
ドンチャーリーですね。ドンチャーリー。
Duchess 16 Zulu, turn right taxiway Charlie, and runway 24, taxi via Charlie Alpha.
Right on Charlie, Charlie Alpha, runway 24, 16 Zulu.
Number 901-834, say again, direction on departure?
Southwest departure, 834.
Number 834, roger. Number 817, you could, sir, that's your choice, then pick it up airborne, but they're kind of short over there as well. They're trying to get that flight plated for you. I'm still waiting for them to call me back.
My control. After check お願いします。
Number 91834, southwest bound departure approved, runway 24, clear for takeoff.
Runway 24, clear for takeoff, 834.
Number 90206 November, 1 departure prior to arrival of Cherokee, taking the runway. Runway 24, clear to land.
06 November, runway 24, clear to land.
Roger.
リバーサイド突き上がった。
South Sign 6, if you haven't already, for exchange proof.